Father, I come before you with everything I cannot carry anymore. Every broken place, every silent wound, every dream that seems forgotten, I place it all into your hands. You are the God who restores. You make all things new. Give me the peace that only you can give. I have walked through valleys I could not explain, carried heavy burdens through the midnight rain, broken pieces scattered all around, but your mercy found me when I thought I couldn't be found. What I thought was finished, you can breathe again. What I thought was lost, Lord, you can restore again. You gather every fragment, you heal every scar. You know every sorrow hidden in my heart. I don't need to understand what tomorrow holds for me. I only need to know that you're still holding me. When my strength is gone, your grace becomes my strength. When my heart is restless, you speak your peace again. Restore me, Lord. Restore me, restore what the years have taken away. Restore my joy, restore my song. Heal every place where my heart went wrong. Give me your peace, Lord, give me your peace, the kind of peace this world can never give. Calm every storm, quiet every fear. Let me know that you are near. You are my restoration. You are my peace. In your presence, Lord, my soul can breathe. Restore the dreams I buried in the night. Restore the hope that disappeared from sight. Restore the love where bitterness had grown. Heal the broken places I have never shown. Restore my laughter, restore my praise. Restore the beauty of my forgotten days. Let what was shattered become a testimony. Let what brought me sorrow become a story of your glory. You don't just repair the pieces, you make something beautiful. You don't just heal the wounds, you make the wounded whole. When I cannot see the way, I'll trust your sovereign hand. You are working even now, though I may not understand. Restore me, Lord, restore me, restore what the years have taken away. Restore my joy, restore my song. Let your glory rise where pain once lived so long. Give me your peace, Lord, give me your peace, a peace that surpasses everything I know. When the world is shaking all around me, in your presence I will never be alone. You are my restoration, you are my peace, you are my refuge, you are all I need. What no man can restore, that can restore, what no money can purchase, your grace can provide. What no voice can comfort, your presence can heal. What no earthly power can change, your mighty hand can transform. You restore the broken heart, you restore the wasted years, you restore the lost hope, you restore the forgotten dreams. And I will trust you again, I will believe you again, I will worship you again, because you are not finished with me. Peace like a river flow presence is enough for me. Your love dries every tear. I have peace because I have you. I have hope because I have you. I am restored because I have you. Restore me, Lord. Restore me, Lord. Restore me. Let every broken thing become beautiful again. Restore my joy. Restore my song. Let your glory rise where pain once lived so long. Give me your peace, Lord. Give me your peace. A peace that surpasses everything I know. When the world is shaking all around me, in your presence I will never be alone. You are my restoration. You are my peace. You are my refuge. You are all I need. Restore my heart. Restore my hope. Restore my faith. Restore my song. Restore what was broken and make it whole again. Father, I release everything into your hands. Yesterday, the pain, the disappointment, the questions, the fear, and I receive your peace. Your peace over my heart, your peace over my mind, your peace over my future. I know you restore, I know you heal, I know you make all things new. So I will rest in you. For what you restore, no one can destroy, and the peace you give.